Hi everyone, welcome back. So, got 2 deliveries today. One from Amazon, I think, and one from Temu. So this is the Amazon, I think. Hopefully. No, it's eBay, and it's nothing exciting other than a new mouse for my computer. But look, it's pink. Well, it's rose gold. So that's awesome. I'll get into that later. It's my other one. Died, unfortunately, my other mouse. Went to mousey heaven. Okay. Let's do it, eh? Got some molds. Right, I'll put this on the chair next to me. And I'll just reach in and grab it. What do you reckon? Okay. Actually, let's just get all the molds out, maybe. Is that it? Another one? Another one? Oh, another one? Let me dump it all out. Oh, that's better. Okay. Another melt. Okay. So that, not too many things, mainly molds in this one. So, first one. And it is looking like a bunny. Oh yes, you can see it now. He's got his ears down. Oh, cute. It's a very flexible one. So I was actually getting, I think, mainly these ones for squishies because I've got a squishy fix at the moment. Can't get enough of them. They're just too cute. So same with this one. It's really soft. So it's for squishies. And that's the little paw. I won't get it out because you can see that. Everyone's seen the dog paw prints or the cat prints. And this, again, the same. I'll get this one out. It's mice. Get it half out. Oh, it's coming out now. So it's just, they're the little mice. They're cute. Yeah, ultra soft, these ones. And I had to get the other hamster. So that's the one sitting. I've got the one laying down. That's the one sitting up. It's cute. Oh, this is it's a little jar. And that's the lid with the bunny ears. Oh, it goes that way. Duh. How cute. How cute will that be? Oh, can't wait to do that one. Oh, and this one. Oh my God. It's a little wrinkly laying down dog. How cute will that be in a squishy? Oh my God. Cannot wait to do that. Okay. Last mold. It's the rose jar. So hopefully that'll be cute. Ultra soft, but That should be easy for demoulding. Yeah, so can't wait to do those ones. They're going to be super cute. So, got some more of these glitter ones. I got a lot of these colours, but there was some colours I didn't have, so hopefully I'll get them in this pack. So I don't really have any greens. Not that green's everyone's cup of tea, but you've got to have a little bit of green in your life. So yeah, this is the 12 pack. You can get other colours in the 12 pack. So this is champagne, which I don't have, and olive, that's a green, a watermelon, so I've got watermelon, and gold, I think I've got gold, bronze, don't think I've got that one, dark purple, oh, a light purple-ish, lake blue, I think I've got, blue, which I've got, silver, maybe, rose, yeah, I think I've got that. Not so much for getting greens. Violet, probably got that. Here we go. Green, yay! I've got 2 greens out of all that. Anywho, they don't last very long, the glitter ones, especially if you're doing lots of jewellery. But they're so pretty and easy to use, being UV, love them. So I'll add them to the little UV glitter collection. Awesome. And then I've just got some blocks of sandpaper. And they are supposed to be different grits. This is a 4-piece. They'll be always come in handy. Oh, yay. Got some of these. So I like these packets. Squishies. So, let me just get one of my already made ones. Get my little hamster dude. So yeah, packets of them. Some more of this. Oh, this has got something different written on it. The other one I've got, it actually feels a bit firmer, this one. Where's my other one? Oh, is it in arm reach? Hang on one sec. It is right here. I know, it feels about the same. Oh, look, it probably is the same. It's just that that's covered up. So yeah, it's air dry clay. So it's probably the same brand, I'd say. Yeah, no, it feels the same firmness. So I love that stuff. And then I've actually got a squishy pack just to see what it was like. Because you get those. So some more molds. Oh, mega tiny squishy gel, but I've got more of that anyway. And you get cups. Oh, you get these little dudes. That'd be cool for squishies too. Or UV. And you get spoons. That will come in handy. 5 spoons, some more paddle pop sticks. What else to get in here? Get a few of those. Two measuring cups that are make it stuck together. Oh my gosh, can I get them off? Yep. Without breaking them. So let's spray some alcohol. Oh, they've got it. Measuring cups, like they always come in handy. I won't stick them back together to show. And some flocking powder, which looks like really ultra fine glitter. Because the flocking powder I got from Temu before, it's quite chunky. And I used to have a coffee grinder years ago, but I might have gave it away. It's going to grind it, the flocking powder I've got, just to make it less chunky. We've already got purple, yellow, green, and pink. Just open it. I think it's going to be like glitter. Yeah, which is, you can use like ultra fine glitter, which I've done that. So cool. I like those colours, the pastel colours. But yeah, I'd love to get the the Let's Resin, squishy kit, because you get the really good flocking powder in that, by the looks of it. Got some little instructions. So that's it. Nice and quick today. What am I going to pour? Oh, I don't know if I've got enough resin. I'll think of something and I'll be back. So I got out my Let's Resin holographic glitter in pink, and I've dusted all inside of the bunny ears and all inside of the jar, and hopefully all around the lid, and then cleaned up my mess. So I did notice there is a flaw inside my mould, which is a bugger. So it's scratched, and it was like that when I got it. Thanks, Temu. So I made up 6 ounces of my Tea Expert, and I mixed up my Pink Lake Shimmer metallic pigment paste by Colour Obsession. So I mixed that with my stick in the jar, and then whatever was on my stick I popped into my resin, along with flat micro spoon of my gold dust metallic, and then mixed it up with my RESINERS Jewel mixer, and then I popped it in my vacuum chamber. So this is ready to pour. I don't know if I made up enough, hopefully. So we'll see how I go. I like the metallic pigment paste because it's translucent. It mightn't look like it is in my cup, but when you mix it up you can still see a stick. And there's no way I'm going to have enough. So used to working in grams and not ounces, I've got no idea. Okay, so it's basically 6 ounces at the bottom. Bugger it. Oh no. Well, that's a poopy bear, isn't it? Oh, let me just grab my... Where is it hiding? It is hiding. It's right here. I thought it was in reach. I don't want to pour this into my ears because it might not be the same colour. No, it's not going to be enough, but that's okay. I have to make up a bit more. My ears. So I'll do that off camera and come back when these guys are ready to demold. So I'll see you very soon. So I've still got to fill up my little hippo dude. I'll do that off camera. And I'm decorating this little guy or girl. She's pretty. Sparkle. Love it. Love that colour. Okay, let's do a little jar base. See what we got. Roll it down. Pop that. Oh, that's that little mark in my mould. What a bugger. God. Twist. This back in the right way. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Nice and sparkly on the inside. Hopefully you can see that. Around the top. Put something to cover that mark. Beautiful. Love it. Little trim. But that metallic mica paste. Gorgeous. Love it. Love the effects it gives. Beautiful. Okay, let's do our little lid. Oh, is it a hole? It is. Bugger. But I went round that with my tool. Did I not? Probably not. So I'll be able to fix that. I'll just put some alcohol. It's going to be tight, this one. A little squish. Got it. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Love the effect of that holographic glitter. I missed a little spot there, but can't really see. So the top of the lid's good, so I've just got to fix. It would be at the front, wouldn't it? A couple of little holes. That fits. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Oh, I'll come back when I've dressed these little guys up, fix that, and finish my hippo. So I'll see you soon.